Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online purchases. This time, we're reviewing the 3 best instant cameras for kids on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the ceiling fans with lights and remote AQUBT. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The AQUBT ceiling fan with lights and remote is a modern, low-profile solution ideal for bedrooms, home offices, and rooms with limited ceiling height. Its bladeless design features a quiet, energy-efficient motor with 6 adjustable fan speeds and a reversible airflow function for year-round comfort. The compact 20-inch diameter allows it to deliver strong airflow while maintaining a sleek and minimal appearance. The integrated LED light panel supports stepless dimming and adjustable color temperatures from warm 3000K to cool 6500K, letting you customize both brightness and tone. Control is easy with the included 2.4 GHz remote or a smartphone app, which also allows you to set timers and store your preferred settings with a memory function. This fan combines style, convenience, and performance in one space-saving design. Number 2 is the Amico ceiling fans with lights. The Amico ceiling fan with lights is a quiet and modern ceiling fan designed for indoor and covered outdoor spaces. It features a low-profile flush mount, making it ideal for rooms with low ceilings such as bedrooms, living rooms, and patios. The energy-efficient DC motor operates at a noise level of just 35 dB and includes 6 speed settings along with a reversible function for seasonal use. This allows the fan to provide cooling airflow in the summer and help distribute warm air during the winter. The integrated LED light offers 3 adjustable color temperatures, 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K, with stepless dimming from 10% to 100%. A convenient remote control lets you operate the fan and light independently, adjust brightness and speed, and set 1, 2, or 4-hour timers. The memory function saves your preferred light settings, and installation is simple with included instructions. With its quiet performance and versatile features, the Amico fan is a practical choice for comfort and energy savings. And the first position goes to the modern dimmable LED ceiling fan with lights Litomide. The Litomide modern dimmable LED ceiling fan with lights is a compact, low-profile fan ideal for rooms with low ceilings such as bedrooms and small living spaces. It features a quiet DC motor with 6 adjustable speeds and reversible airflow for year-round comfort. The fan has a 20-inch diameter, making it suitable for smaller rooms without sacrificing performance. The integrated 36-watt LED light panel offers 3 color temperatures, 3000K, 4500K, and 6000K, and is fully dimmable. Control options include a remote control and a smartphone app, both allowing adjustments to fan speed, light brightness, and color temperature. Additional features include a nightlight mode, sleep timer, and memory function to save your preferred settings. Installation is simple, and the fan operates quietly at about 35 decibels. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 instant cameras for kids that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.